Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure Chrome is current, and if useful, signed into your Google account so preferences can sync. Once done, open Chrome and go straight to Settings then Appearance, or open a new tab and tap Customize. You're doing this because an up-to-date app exposes the color and theme controls. Older builds may hide or limit options. Don't waste time. Jump to the Customize area now so you can pick and see theme options immediately. Now you choose the actual visuals. You'll see presets, light versus dark versus system, and a palette of accent colors. Tap any option to preview it on the new tab in Browser Chrome. If available, pick background to add an image or subtle gradient. This changes the tab page and accent shading. You do this because color affects readability and mood. For battery savings, pick dark, while light increases contrast. Keep trying different accents until the preview looks right. You finish by tapping Apply or Done and then restart Chrome so the UI refreshes. Make sure to check normal tabs because themes typically won't affect incognito windows. If the look didn't change everywhere, sign out and back in, or sync settings to push the theme across devices. Troubleshooting tip: if a theme won't apply, update Chrome, clear the app cache, and disable any experimental flags you enabled. That usually restores theme controls and lets you reapply.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.